fresh number one good habit ទម្លាប់ល្អ number two swimming ការហែលទឹក number three sport កីឡា number four play tennis លេង tennis number five go jogging រត់ហាត់ប្រាណ number six almost ស្ទើរតែ conversation about exercise conversation about exercise សន្ទនាអំពីលំហាត់ប្រាណ Do you usually exercise? Do you usually exercise? តើអ្នកហាត់ប្រាណជាធម្មតាទេ Yes, I do. Doing exercise is one of my good habits. Yes, I do. Doing exercise is one of my good habits. បាទខ្ញុំហាត់ការធ្វើលំហាត់ប្រាណគឺជាទម្លាប់ដ៏ល្អរបស់ខ្ញុំ What sport do you play? What sport do you play? តើអ្នកលេងកីឡាអ្វី Swimming is my favorite. I also play tennis. Swimming is my favorite. I also play tennis. ការហែលទឹកគឺជាចំណូលចិត្តរបស់ខ្ញុំខ្ញុំក៏លេងកីឡាវាយកូនបាល់ដែរ How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise? តើអ្នកហាត់ប្រាណញឹកញាប់ប៉ុណ្ណា I go jogging almost every day before breakfast. I go jogging almost every day before breakfast. ខ្ញុំទៅហាត់ប្រាណស្ទើររាល់ថ្ងៃមុនអាហារពេលព្រឹក When did you start doing exercise? When did you start doing exercise? តើអ្នកចាប់ផ្ដើមហាត់ប្រាណនៅពេលណា Just last year actually. Just last year actually. តាមពិតទៅកាលពីឆ្នាំមុន Is there anyone who does exercise with you? Is there anyone who does exercise with you? មានអ្នកណាហាត់ប្រាណជាមួយអ្នកទេ I go jogging with my older brother. He's a good company of mine. I go jogging with my older brother. He's a good company of mine. ខ្ញុំរត់ហាត់ប្រាណជាមួយបងប្រុសរបស់ខ្ញុំគាត់ជាអ្នករីករាយនិងពេញចិត្តរបស់ខ្ញុំ What benefits can you get from exercising? What benefits can you get from exercising? តើអ្នកអាចទទួលបានអត្ថប្រយោជន៍អ្វីខ្លះពីការធ្វើលំហាត់ប្រាណ Well, a lot. Exercise helps reduce fat and build muscles. It also keeps me awake mentally during the whole day. Well, a lot. Exercise helps reduce fat and build muscles. It also keeps me awake mentally during the whole day. ច្រើនណាស់លំហាត់ប្រាណជួយកាត់បន្ថយជាតិខ្លាញ់និងបង្កើតសាច់ដុំវាក៏ធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំភ្ញាក់ស្មារតីពេញមួយថ្ងៃផងដែរ Where do you exercise? Where do you exercise? តើអ្នកហាត់ប្រាណនៅឯណា At a nearby park. There are some exercise machines for people to use. At a nearby park, there are some exercise machines for people to use. នៅឧទ្យានក្បែរនោះមានម៉ាស៊ីនហាត់ប្រាណមួយចំនួនសម្រាប់មនុស្សប្រើប្រាស់ Why do you exercise? Why do you exercise? ហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកហាត់ប្រាណ I like moving. For me, life without moving is like a picture without color. I like moving. For me, life without moving is like a picture without color. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តចលនាសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំជីវិតដែលគ្មានចលនាគឺដូចជារូបភាពដែលគ្មានពណ៌ Do people in your country do much exercises? Do people in your country do much exercises? តើប្រជាជននៅក្នុងប្រទេសរបស់អ្នកធ្វើលំហាត់ប្រាណច្រើនទេ I don't think so. They are so busy working that they forget to do exercise. I don't think so. They are so busy working that they forget to do exercise. ខ្ញុំមិនគិតដូច្នេះទេពួកគេរវល់ធ្វើការរហូតភ្លេចហាត់ប្រាណ What if people don't do enough exercise? What if people don't do enough exercise? ចុះបើមនុស្សហាត់ប្រាណមិនគ្រប់គ្រាន់ Obviously, they'll gain weight fast and become obese. Obviously, they'll gain weight fast and become obese. ជាក់ស្ដែងពួកគេនឹងឡើងទម្ងន់លឿននិងធាត់ Study vocabularies are fresh. Number one, good habit ទម្លាប់ល្អ Number two, swimming ការហែលទឹក Number three, sport កីឡា Number four, play tennis លេង tennis Number five, go jogging រត់ហាត់ប្រាណ Number six, almost ស្ទើរតែ Number seven, last year ឆ្នាំទៅ Number eight, whole day ពេញមួយថ្ងៃ Number nine, good company អ្នកកំដរដ៏ល្អពេញឆិតនិងរីករាយ Number 10, reduce fat កាត់បន្ថយជាតិខ្លាញ់ Number 11, build muscles បង្កើតសាច់ដុំ Number 12, gain weight ឡើងគីឡូ Number 13, fast លឿន Number 14, become obese ធាត់ខ្លាំង Number 15, obviously ជាក់ស្ដែង Number 16, actually តាមពិតទៅ Number 17, exercise machine ម៉ាស៊ីនហាត់ប្រាណ Thank you